Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn sauce. First, gather your fresh corn, dairy, and a few simple seasonings. We will transform these into a velvety, smooth sauce perfect for many meals. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparation to the final delicious product. You will discover how easy it is to elevate your home cooking with this homemade delight. To begin, ensure you have about 4 cups of fresh corn kernels, which typically come from 6 to 8 ears of corn. You will also need 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 small, finely diced shallot. Start by carefully cutting the corn kernels from the cobs, then set them aside. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add your finely diced shallot and sauté for about 2 minutes until it becomes translucent and fragrant. Next, add the fresh corn kernels and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour in the 1/2 cup of heavy cream, bring it to a gentle simmer, and cook for 10 minutes. Finally, carefully blend the mixture until it is wonderfully smooth. To finish your perfect corn sauce, season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed to achieve your desired flavor profile. If the sauce is too thick, you can add a small splash of milk or cream to reach your preferred consistency. Serve this warm, velvety sauce over grilled chicken, pan-seared fish, or even roasted vegetables for an exquisite culinary experience. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.